Hello, 4th graders, Mrs. Nelson here, and with this video we're going to be doing 4x1 multiplication. So get out a whiteboard, marker, a pencil, or a piece of paper. Do this with me. When I do, you do. Alright, so we're going to multiply the problem 3,457 times 7. Okay, and we're going to draw our open array. Stop this video at any time so that you can catch up with me, okay? So we're going to draw a really long rectangle. Okay. And the open array, again, we are going to break up 3,457 into expanded form. So we're going to break that up, and I'm going to move my face so I have myself a little bit more room here. Maybe I'll put myself down here. Alright, so looking at that, you already know that this number, 3,457, you're going to break it into 3,457. Okay? And then you're going to break your array right where the pluses are. Okay? So then, and then the 7, your big number always goes across the top. It's just easier to write that way. And your 7, since it's the short number, goes down on the side here. Okay? Move myself a little bit more here again. So now you are going to put your equations in the box so that you know exactly what you're doing. So we have, you put the 7 and this, you drop those in the box. Okay, so that would be 7 times 3,000, or 3,000. You could also write 3,000 times 7. It doesn't matter. The next number you're going to do is going to be the 7 times the 400, and those will get dropped into the box. So then you'll have the 7 times the 400, and the next box that you will drop into will be the 7 and the 50. So the 7 will get dropped in, and will the 50. So the 7 times the 50. And then you will then also drop in the 7 will get dropped in, and the 7 will get dropped in. So that equation is going to be 7 times 7 right there. You really can't see that. I'll do 7 times 7 right there. Alright, so now you have to come up with your partial products. Okay, remember all of your answers have to be added together. So 7 times the 3 is going to be 21. Add 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3. Because there's 3 zeros there. 7 times 4 is 28. Add 2 zeros. 7 times 5 is 35. Add a 0. And 7 times 7 is 49. Now, what's really super critical when you do this, I'm going to make this just a tad bit smaller so I can scooch it over, is you're going to have to take all of your partial products, these are partial products, and add them together. Now, to do that, you need to make sure you're lining up all your ones, your tens, your hundreds, and your thousands correctly. So always start with your big number. So 2,001, so 21,000 will get written here, okay? And then you have to make sure that your ones, tens, hundreds, thousands are lined up correctly. So I'll start with the 0 here. And I'll put that right there. Next, I'll write the next 0 and line it up. The 800 goes under the third 0, and the 2 will go under the 1. Okay? So that number is done. I'll take 350, I'll write the 0 here, the 5 in the tens place, and the 3 in the hundreds place. Line them up on the right-hand side. Some of you are lining these up absolutely wrong. And your answers are wrong. So then I'm going to take 49, put the 9 in the ones place, put the 4 in the tens place. So now I have everything lined up correctly so that I can add. And this is why we've hammered on you for doing the standard algorithm so that you can add these larger numbers. So we have 0 plus 0 plus 0 and 9 is 9. 5 plus 4 plus 0 plus 0 is 9. 8 plus 3 is going to be 11, so carry the 1. And then you have 2 plus 1 is 4, and then the 2. So your answer for 3,457 will be 24,199. That's your product. Okay, so that's your answer. All right, if you have questions or concerns, let me know. Do the problem in Edulastic. Thanks.